Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal Glow once again, and if this is your first time coming across my video, to do well to click the subscribe button and join the family. Today, guess what? I got my wireless microphone. Yay! I'm going to be unboxing it. So for a while I haven't had this and I've been looking forward to getting this. So this has made it so much easier. So please stick to this video to the end. I'll be showing you how to set this up, the price range, and some of the challenges I faced while using it. So before you buy it, so if you're thinking of to buy it, or if you're facing some certain challenges, you might not just be alone. I faced it too. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So I think there is another one, K9 microphone. So it's basically the same thing, but this is just like more like a repackaged pack. And it's majorly written in Chinese, but it's just written wireless microphone, the front and the back. So I think the other one is written K9. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you. So just look and watch me closely. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be opening it to show you the contents. Okay. So if you got this in Nigeria, it's about within the range. Well, prices increase, but as at this period I'm doing the recording, you will get it within the price range of 20 to 30 naira, 20 to 30,000 naira. So basically for this, if you see the back here, you can see it works for iPhone, it works for Type C, and it works for K61. It's written at the back here. So the K61 is like your normal BlackBerry USB cord, not the Type C, the normal regular Android, rather the Android USB. So it comes with a Type C. So I'm just going to be opening it for you. So when you get this and you open it, yours is supposed to come with a Type C adapter. It's supposed to come with an iPhone adapter converter and a K61 adapter converter. So I'm going to be telling you some things or some challenges I faced before I got this to work with my phone, because I actually use a K61 phone for now. Yes. So maybe very soon I'll upgrade. But for now, I use a K61 phone. So here inside it, I'm just going to be opening it. I'm going to show you the before and after. Now I'm using my normal voice to record. So I'm going to show you the before using my normal voice and using the microphone, the wireless mic. So here now is, I think this is actually the difference between that K9 lavalier, something like this, because this comes with all the microphones here and you can charge it directly. You can charge it, but I think that one you have to charge the microphones individually, and everything is just all over the place. One can get missing because it's not in a compartment like this. So basically this is how it looks inside. So it comes with two mics. I think there are some that come with one, but this comes with two, in case, okay, if you're having like just having two persons on set, so both persons can use the mic simultaneously at the same time. So here is the adapter. This already comes with a Type C mouth. So this Type C mount goes directly into your phone if you are using a Type C. It also comes with a converter, to an adapter that converts this Type C to that K61. Ensure yours comes with an iPhone and a K61 converter. It's supposed to come with the two. So inside here we have of course, the adapter to charge it. So use your charger head, you connect it, and you plug it here. When you plug it here, the light here comes up to show you or to indicate that it is charging. Okay, this is like the converter I later bought because mine did not come with a K61 converter. In fact, I walked the whole of the city to find it because if it doesn't come with the K61 converter, the ones like the OTG cable or whatever you call this OTG adapter, you would find will most likely not work. More like it's not strong enough to pick the it's not strong enough to pick the mic. It won't for my phone. Oh, for my phone did not recognize it at all. In fact, at the point I was thinking my phone is the issue because I did not understand all the OTGs I tried buying did not work with my phone. So here is actually the one that comes with it. And I walked the streets of the city, and this particular one I found that was sold to me was removed from another pack just to sell it to me. This is why I tell you, if you are not using a type C, yours should come with this and it should come with this. You can see it. One is an iPhone for iPhone and one is for the K61. But if you have any questions, please do not leave it in the comment section. I will be really glad to help. So you just add it here and I connect it to my phone. So another thing is that except you have a phone that's an iPhone or a Type C phone or an Android that supports OTG, good. But if you don't and you plan to use that particular phone to do your videos, I think there's no point. There's no point in it because it won't work. Okay, this is how my voice is without the camera. So I'm just going to show you how it is. That's the difference. So immediately you plug it. For many phones, it may just say it may tell you to enable OTG in the settings. Like a pop-up will come out, enable OTG. So you go to settings and enable it. For some phones, it may not come out, so you may have to go to OTG, to the settings and enable OTG. So I'm going to be inserting it for my K69 and is it K69 again? K61 Jare. K61, I'm going to be showing you the difference between the before and after. So once the green light is stable, that means it is connected and you are ready to record. So I believe you must already be hearing the sound of my voice now, so I can just pin it to the so this is the difference. Okay, this is the difference between the normal phone and the normal recorder, your normal phone recorder, and the mic. The mic amplifies your voice. If you are using a K61 just like I am, your mic may not work for all apps. The camera of the phones of those K61 were not doesn't have settings to adopt an external mic. I think that's the way to put it. I would advise you to also do is download the app Open Camera. It's more advanced than your normal camera, so I think it's much better. Plus it works with your external microphone, so it's right now. So if you have any comments, about this, if you have any questions, please do want to leave it in the comment section. I will be glad to help out. Please, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something for this video, and if this video was helpful, please do well to like this video, leave a comment if you have any, and do want to subscribe to my channel and join this family. So thank you so much. I'll be dropping exciting videos like this. Stay tuned. Bye.